How to change Gmail primary email address without losing data. Okay, so just open up your browser and log in, of course, into your Google account first. Okay, so go here, my account Google, just sign in. All right, you should be right over here. Then guys, scroll down to the contact info layout matrix. Okay, and you go ahead and search the settings, just type an email right here and navigate to this email where it says personal info. And if you had this feature rolled out to your profile, you will see a prominent modification control right next to your handle. And then just click the button labeled change Google account email and complete two-factor authentication identity check. Enter your brand new desired username string. The server will run an instantaneous availability pass against the global database registry. Then just review the system summary and hit confirm. Your data stays perfectly frozen, your old address immediately transforms into permanent fallback alias, and the switch triggers globally. And then when you commit, your entire live archive of messages, Drive documents, photos, libraries, and everything else will be seamlessly transferred to the new handle with absolute zero migration lag. That is it for this one, guys. Don't forget this tab, enjoy the guide, and see you in the next one.